I'm Tom. If you're new here, I got all kinds of things on my channel. Trapping, hunting, foraging, and just recently wood cutting. And today I'm gonna mulch up or chip up this brush pile that I have from the tree that I cut down the other day in the last video. And I'm gonna probably do some tree cutting. I'll probably cut that tree right behind me here. I'll have to get the electric pole saw out for that thing because it's such a steep incline. We have a side hill here, and I'll probably just lop that off at a certain point and cut that up and chip up the branches from that too. There's a lot of things I want to do today. I don't know if I'm going to get to them. I want to remove all that wood that's in my little wood shed right there and replace it with the stuff that I cut in the previous video, so that new stuff can sit on the bottom while the stuff that's in there right now can sit on top, and I can burn that this summer. Hopefully it's dry. The tree fell down in my son's yard last May, and it's coming up to almost a year since it's been cut up, and now there's a little bit of moisture that's coming out of it, a little bit of foam, and hopefully by midsummer it'll be decent enough to burn. So I got my coffee. I'm gonna fire up that wood chipper. Stick around and let's have a good Saturday. All right, let's do this. What I will need is probably one of these loppers to kind of trim up the branches that I have, because it's not really a good top-notch chipper. It is, but it isn't. It kind of takes a little bit for them to chop up. So I got my loppers, gloves, hearing protection. Let's get this thing fired up. just shut off. I think I filled it back up. There was a little bit of gas in there, so no, it doesn't want to start. So I don't know, I'm gonna let it sit. I'm almost done. I didn't chip up the bigger stuff because the opening to the chippers isn't all that big, and as you can tell, it's once it starts taking the larger pieces, it kind of bogs down. It's a 6.5 horse Briggs & Stratton Intech ICA, I think I can see on there, but it's from Yard Machine, and it suits me fine for what I need to do. It's gonna get put to use this some more this spring, because I want to, like I said in the previous video, I want to clean things up around here, make it look a little nicer, maybe draw some wildlife, because I've had turkeys and possums and woodchucks, which whatever. Be nice to maybe lure in some deer just to watch. There's a little strip of, it's a wooded little hill line here, and it's been deer up here before, I guess, so I'm kind of hoping that I can draw something in with, if I plant sunflower seeds down below, sunflowers or some corn of some sort, or even some kind of a wheatgrass or something, or maybe make a little food plot down there. Not that I'm gonna hunt it, because I can't, but I got most of it done. Most of it's all gone. All I gotta do now is empty out the woodshed, bring that stuff up, and split it. I was gonna wait this till later this summer to split it, but I think I'll do it now, just for a simple fact it'll give me something to do. I had to take my sweatshirt or my insulated shirt off. It's like 25 degrees out here. There's a slight breeze, but I thought it was going to be colder and cloudy, so I didn't know if I wanted to do this or not out here. So yeah, if you made it this far, give me a thumbs up, leave a comment, hit that, I said hit that thumbs up, hit that subscribe button. So I'm gonna figure out why this isn't running. I'm not a mechanic, so it might take me a while. I think it just might have to cool down a little bit, but or it just might need a spark plug, I don't know. So alright, I'm gonna be trimming a tree pretty soon here, get this out of the way, and turkey season's right around the corner. I'll leave a video right here of my son and I when we doubled up on that turkey, on those two turkeys simultaneously. That's a hard word for me to say, but take a look at this video here and hit that my icon up there for more videos, and to subscribe. So until next video, enjoy the little things, because I'm gonna